Assalamu alaikum student. This is O levels past paper. Uh, this question is related to area of shaded region. So there are two rectangles. One is inside, one is outside, and in the middle the part is shaded. We have that shaded area, and we require its area. How can we find this? We just find the area of outer rectangle. Area of bigger rectangle as we know that area formula is length multiplied by width or length multiplied by breadth. So length is 32, breadth is 20, so this will be 640. Area of the bigger rectangle is 640. These are centimeters, so this will be centimeter square. Area of smaller rectangle, again the same formula works, and smaller rectangle has length 26 and breadth 14, so this will be 14 multiplied by 684. For here 8 carry, 14 2s are 28 plus 8 36, so it will be 364. Next we have to find the difference of bigger area bigger triangle. Now area of the shaded region, bigger area 640 minus smaller area 364. So what is this difference? This will be 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then it is 3 means 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then this is 5 minus 3 is 2. 276 centimeter square is the area which is in the middle. Student, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share. Please subscribe the channel, share the video, and comment down below. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.